Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Physics Open House. So, as we all know that today is Wednesday and we are back with our Wednesday stories. So, the story that we'll learn today is the four college friends or the four college kids. So, this is the story of the four college kids who were, partying late night and having a good time. And the next day they were having their exam. So, we'll learn that how they lied to their DN and how the DN told them a lesson. So, let's start. So, one night, four college kids stayed out late, partying and having a good time. And they paid no mind to the test they had scheduled for the next day and didn't study. How will they study if they were partying? No, they were partying last night and they were not giving any mind to the studies. In morning, they hatched a plan to get out of taking their test. They covered themselves with grit and dust and went to the DN's office. Once there, they said they had been to a wedding the previous night, and on the way, they got a flat tire and had to push the car back to the campus. So they lied to the DN for, getting out of their test. So the DN listened to their tale of woe and thought he offered them to retest 3 days later. They thanked him and accepted his offer that time. So what did the DN done? The DN, offered them to retest after 3 days. When the test day arrived, the DN went to take their test. So the DN put them all in separate rooms for the test. So the DN put them all in the separate rooms, all four in separate rooms. They were fine with this since they had all studied hard. Then they saw the test, it had only just two questions. First question was their name. Second question, which tire burst? And the options were first, front left, second, front right, third, back left, and fourth, back right. So, this was the story. So, how was the story? Let me know. So, the lesson of the story is always be responsible and make wise decisions. Don't ever lie. Always support truth and always speak truth. So, I hope you all like this story. If you, then please like, share, and subscribe.